Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge your Arctis 9X to at least 30% and press the power button for 3 to 4 seconds until the LED shows ready. Next, turn on your Xbox One and wake a controller so the console is broadcasting. Once done, remove or power down other Bluetooth headsets close by. They can interfere. These steps ensure a stable pairing environment and enough battery to complete the connection without interruptions. Now pair the headset using Xbox Wireless. On your console, press the Xbox button and navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, then Devices and Streaming. Choose the option to add a device or pair an accessory so the Xbox listens for new peripherals. At the same time, put the Arctis 9X into Xbox pairing mode by holding the power button plus the connect function until the LED blinks rapidly. The console should detect the headset. Finish by confirming the Arctis 9X is selected as the audio output. Go to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output, then pick Headset. Test game and chat audio. Adjust levels and sidetone using the SteelSeries Engine app or controller audio options. If you run into problems, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the Xbox and the headset, then attempt pairing again. If that fails, reset the headset and check for a firmware update in SteelSeries Engine before retrying the pairing sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.